Bit of an impromptu video. I was testing a Compaq Portable 3, my parts machine, when the power supply exploded on me. So I just went to fix it, but I thought, hey, let's turn the camera on and see what we get. So this is just going to be a really quick one. I'm just really going to tear down into this. I don't know what exploded, but I'm assuming it's going to be one of the tantalums that's under here somewhere. But yeah, no, the smoke definitely came out the side of the unit once I turned it on. And it stinks in my office at the moment. So yeah, I've already taken, as you can see, the top cover off and the module from the side. This is really disgusting. So hopefully the problem isn't in there. I do know I think some of the US models have reefers in here, the X2s. So hopefully it's not that, because as far as I know, these are not serviceable units. Yeah, you really can't get in there, but guess we'll see. All right, let's start taking this apart. There we go. All right. Pretty dirty in here. Okay. Boy, oh boy, this is disgusting. Let's take these out. Visually, I can see the fuse is still fine. It's still aligned, but I will test it with my multimeter. I think we might have a culprit. Yes, I do believe we do, right down in there. I think, I'm not sure if you can see that. Let's get some light in the subject. That tantalum right there is all sorts of exploded. Okay, well that's going to be fun to get out. That appears to be... Oh, and we've got another one. Oh yeah, there's our proper culprit. Look at that guy. Right there in the center of the screen right now. He is scorched. Oh, okay. So we've got a couple of blown tants. Yeah, like I said, that's to be expected. Alright. Well, let's get them out. Before I do that, I might just go and give this a brush down, just get all of this excess dirt out, because this is disgusting. Back in a moment. Okay, much nicer, and it actually looks like we also have a blown up resistor down here as well. I don't know if it's just kind of cooked around the board, but there was definitely some thermal shock there, probably from how much crap was caked in there, so might want to just look at replacing that, or at least testing it. But yeah, okay, let's get that cap out. Or those caps, I should say. Oh yeah, look at that baby. Toasty! So, can we see what that was? Yeah, there you go. 56156. 25 volt. 156. Interesting. Okay, I might have to look up what that could be. It actually looks like the one next door might be gone as well, but I can't tell. I don't know if it's just scorched from this one. So let's take that out too while we're here. Oh, yeah, it came out already. There you go. No wonder I couldn't find the legs. No, this just looks scorched. We should probably replace it. Yeah, it just looks like the top was scorched from the side one exploding. Let's give it a quick testaroo. If I can find my testaroo. Let's give it a quick testaroo. So let's pop it. Nope, she dead too. Okay, cool. So, those two will need replacing. What about this other one that's down here? So that will be... those two. That's better. Let's grab it with my better pliers here. Oh, yeah, that just disintegrated as well. Yep. Yeah. Shards. I don't think we're going to have much chance in figuring out what that one was. That's going to be interesting. Well, okay. Wow. Yeah, look at that. It's literally 2 legs and just a bunch of charcoal left. That one was cooked. Okay, well, the rest of these seem fine. I can't see any other ones that have completely poppadooed. Let's check this resistor right there that we were worried about. Let's just check it in circuit. And we've got it's tied down to a capacitor, so we'll have to take that out of circuit to test. So, let's do that real quick. What I'll do here is I'll just bend one of these legs up, and then from this side, I can get underneath it while melting the point and just pull it straight out. So that's now just kind of dangling up in the air, and we can test it like that. And we have a pretty good 1K resistor, which I dare say if we check those markings will be accurate, so I'm going to leave it. Alright, let's pop that back in. Okay, so we are going to be looking for 2 replacements. There's this one, like I said, 15625, and this guy is a, it says 225 plus 35, so that'll be a 35 volt, and I can't remember what 225 stands for. It's 22 and 5 zeros, so that'll be 22,000 picofarads. That'll be, I think it's 2.2 or 22 microfarad. I can never remember. I usually just look them up because I am not a font of information like some people. So that one was 156, so that's 15 and 6 zeros. So that'll probably be 150k. And then 25 volts. So I will go raid my stash, see what I've got, and see if we can pop those in. Oh, and probably try to figure out what the completely exploded one was. Okay, well, I went digging, and no, couldn't find any tants in my stash, but I've found some kind of close enough, just electrolytics, and I'll just use those. So, we are looking at this is going to be 22 microfarad, 25 volt. This is to replace the 15, the 156. That's this fella right here. So 156, 25 volt, 156 works out to be 15 microfarad. So that went, this is going to be the tricky part, is getting it in. So it's going to go in there. Let's get those legs bent straight. Now we've got the negative stripe to the left, and the positive, as you can see, is marked on the board like so. So let's get that in here. You can't see what I'm doing, but trust me, I'm doing it. Alright, one leg in. Oh no, it fell out. Okay. 2 legs. Let's just give it a good yank and seat. And then we have the other one that was here, which is a 225 plus 35. Oops, there we go. 225 plus 35. So that is a 2.2 microfarad, 35 volt. I am going to be using a 2.2 microfarad, 50 volt. So again, it's the closest I've got. So same thing, pop it in. Oh, and the one that's exploded, it kind of has the similar pads. So the one that I just installed was slightly bigger and it has bigger pads on the bottom. I don't know. I'm just going to use the same 2.2 microfarad. We'll see what we get. If it explodes again, oh no, I'll just pull it apart. Like, this is just, yeah. I'll probably order some proper ones and get this fixed at some point. This is just to see if we have a runner. So yeah, get these in and get back to you. Okay, board's back together. Power supply is in. I've got it plugged into my test board here. This is my parts board for my Compaq Portable 3. If you haven't seen the repairs that I tried doing on this board, I highly recommend you go and check it out. I'll put a little card thingy up there. There's a whole series on it. Anyway, this board will boot. It just has memory errors, but it does make a good test for this because it will provide enough load to actually start this power supply. And we should see a little red light up here. And hopefully no smoke. So let's plug this in. I've got a good spark, but it's turned off. And let's hit the switch and hope nothing else pops. But who knows? Alright, no other smoke, and we've got a red light. I think we're good to go. Yeah, seems fine. Okay. No other smoke. Let's give it another cycle and just double check. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Red light, power, beauty. Alright, let me get this back in the unit and see how it goes. Okay, a little bit tricky, but I've got the power supply, board it back in. I really need to get a better camera angle for this. And then back in the chassis with the broken ass screen that I wanted to test, and let's hit power. Yeah, that. It works! And the screen actually looks pretty good. It's just got a line down the middle. And then the same memory error that we were getting on this mainboard previously. System keyboard. Oh yeah, the keyboard's not plugged in. Just get, yeah, beeps, usual stuff. A little bit of graphic weirdness around there. Nah. Anyway, really quick power supply repair. Thanks for watching.